This is the Simmons VB75NL garden hose vacuum breaker. This is a manual vacuum breaker, so it does have to be drained in order to release all the water, in order to make sure that the water does not freeze inside. In the package, it'll come, of course, with the vacuum breaker, the set screw there, as well as a little list right here of installation and the warning just showing that you do have to manually remove that water. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the vacuum breaker here. Start down here in the outside diameter right here at the threads. It says right at about 3/4 of an inch. And get an outside diameter here that has female thread, the internal threads. And the outside diameter measuring right at about 1.25 inches. And the total height measuring right at about 1.25 inches as well, maybe a little bit more. And yeah, the set screw will be here. Yeah, once again, this is the VB75NL manual vacuum breaker.